Alright, hi there, I hope everybody's well. So first off, I bought these from Banggood.com myself. I'll put a link down in the description to them just in case you're interested. So I had been getting some free stuff from Banggood. They've been sending it to me for review, but because I'm not enthusiastic enough about their products, they're not going to send me anything else, but I'm not really that bothered anyway. So yeah, I purchased these off Banggood like I said. These are drill and tap combination bits. So we've got the drill bit up here and then the tap bit down here. So these will only do through holes. You can't do blind holes with these obviously, because if you try to do a blind hole, that will just drill in. First few threads will probably start to bite in and then you'll snap them. So these are for through holes only. And you can only go as deep as the drill bit section is, which on this one here is probably about 1 centimetre, and on the smallest one I'd probably say about 8 mil. So we've got a M10, M8, M6, M5, M4 and an M3. The finish on them is looking really good. As you can see, I have actually been purchasing these for quite a while, to be absolutely honest with you. But I just thought I'd make a review on them. I had some in the past which seemed to be too hard almost, and they would continuously snap, but they were like titanium nitride coated ones. So I don't know if that process had anything to do with it, but these just plain high-speed steel ones seem to be the best in my opinion. I've had these for about 3 months now actually, these ones, and yeah, haven't snapped one yet, which is pretty amazing. Anyway, I'll show you how they work and give you a demonstration of them. If you are interested in purchasing these, there'll be a link down in the description and the comment section. So let's go test them. So obviously here you can see I did drill for some aluminium as well, and obviously it works absolutely perfect. If it's going to work through steel, it'll work through aluminium. Yep, worked really well. So as you can see from that, they work really well. I'm really pleased with them. For the money what you pay for them, I think they're really good value. The quality is absolutely excellent, I think, compared to some other more expensive ones which I've bought in the past. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with them. Yeah, please comment, subscribe, thumbs up. If you do subscribe, please consider hitting the bell icon, because if not, you'll subscribe and you will never see any of my videos again. So yeah, it would be much appreciated. As I said, links are in the description if you want to go and purchase them. Yep, thanks very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Take care, everybody.